Hi there, Roberto here with Top 1 Marketing with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, we are going to walk you through how to integrate your Shopify store to your Builderall Mailingboss autoresponder through a wonderful tool that is called Zapier. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So here we are in my Zapier account, and I'm getting ready to integrate my Shopify store with my Builderall Mailingboss. Now, I do want to make clear is that I am already logged into these accounts. I'm logged into my Zapier account. I'm logged into my Builderall Mailingboss account, and I'm also logged into my Shopify store through the Zapier platform, okay? So that, you're not confused or you're not wondering, what's happening here, okay? And so what we're going to do is we are going to go on ahead and make a Zap. And right here at the beginning, it's going to, ask you to search an app. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to integrate our Shopify store. Whenever there's a sale, whenever you get a customer, you want Zapier to take that information and pass it on to your Builderall Mailingboss autoresponder. So what we're going to do is we're going to search for Shopify. And so it's right there. Now, one thing that I want you to understand is that Shopify is a premium integration. It's a premium app in the Zapier platform, meaning that you are going to have to be subscribed to a paying plan in Zapier. You're going to have to be paying Zapier in order to integrate Shopify because it's a premium integration, just like PayPal. Okay, so now that that's clear, so we're going to integrate our Shopify. We gotta choose an event. We're going to do new order because it triggers when a new purchase is made of any order status. Okay, so new order, we're gonna click continue. Then we're gonna choose an account just in case you have different Shopify accounts that are, integrated into your Zapier account already. I only have one, so I'm going to click on it, click continue. And so next thing that it prompts us to do is it prompts us to test the trigger. So here we go. Here is a test. It pulled in some of the information from one of my sales already. All right. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click continue. Now, what are we going to do with this Shopify action? Okay, well, like I said, we're going to transfer the email to our Builderall Mailingboss. So you can search right here and click Builderall, start typing in Builderall. Okay, or as you can see, I use it often, so it's right here up top. We're going to click it. It's going to ask us to choose an event. The only event that's available is to add or update a lead in a list. We're going to click continue. We're going to choose an account. I only have one account, one Mailingboss account connected to this Zapier account. I'm going to click continue. And then we're going to need some demo data here. Okay, so we're going to input an email here. We're going to do, let's say, support at top1marketing.net. I could have used, oh, okay. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Support at top1 marketing.net. Okay, you can put a name or whatever, but so we're going to choose which lists we're going to use for this integration. Do top 1 pros, and then the status, confirmed or unconfirmed. This doesn't matter because it's going to automatically set the status of this lead in your Mailingboss account as unconfirmed, because Builderall encourages double opt-in, meaning a subscriber has to go into their email and confirm that they want to be added to the specific list. Okay, so that doesn't matter. So we click continue, and then so what's gonna happen is we're going to test and review. You could have clicked on test and continue. So it says support at top1marketing.net was successfully added to the list top 1 pros. Okay, then we're going to go back over here and we are going to double check. You can see I'm in the top 1 pros list. So let's go ahead and refresh this, and there you go, unconfirmed, right? As you this shows I had picked confirmed, but it will add the subscriber as an unconfirmed until the subscriber confirms in their email. And support at top1marketing.net. So there you go. And then we can go over here and refresh. And as you can see right here, here's the welcome email right here from the list top 1 pros. All right. So we hope that this tutorial video helped. If you have any questions, just add them into the comment area of this video. We would like for you to give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a share, and subscribe to our channels so that you can receive notifications whenever we upload another one of these wonderful tutorial videos. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.